let's move to rule 9. Rule 9 says, if the subordinate clause is an adjective clause, adjective clause है, its verb can be in any tense as per the sense of sentence, even if the principal clause verb is in past tense. For example, I saw a man who has 2 heads. The police caught the boy who steals bicycle. यहाँ पर subordinate clause का verb किसी भी tense में हो सकता है. I bought a pen which is very attractive. Now let's move to rule 10. If the subordinate clause begins with as if or as though, जो subordinate clause है अगर वो start होता है as if और as though से, then its verb shows a present tense but uses past tense form. Then its verb shows present tense sense. यहाँ पर present tense का sense दिखाता है verb, लेकिन हम लोग उसे past tense में लिखते हैं. For example, she talks as if she were mad. यहाँ पर हम लोग were use करेंगे. और she talks as though she was mad. She is not actually mad but talks like a mad woman. वह mad नहीं है actually में, but वो बात करती है mad woman की तरह. तो ये present tense दिखा रहा है, but हम लोग यहाँ past form में लिखें, past tense form में लिखें. He ordered me as though he were my master. यहाँ पर note है, after as if or as though, were is used instead of was. अगर यहाँ पर as if और as though का यूज होता है, after that we use were in place of and instead of was. Now let's see some exercises. Use with the correct tense of the verb for the following. यहाँ पर हम लोग को यूज करना है correct tense. I hope that it. अब हम क्या फिल करेंगे आगे? I hope that it will rain. यहाँ पर हम लोग correct tense फिल करना है. He said that she dash no money with her. She had no money with her. He said that he was dishonest. She liked him better than she liked you. यहाँ पर ये ब्लैंक्स दिए जो हाईलाइटेड है वो फिल करना है. She helped us more than she dash her own children. She helps her own children. तो ये सारे हम लोग करेक्ट टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग ये ब्लैंक्स को फिल करने वाले हैं. The company dash the broth spoils the broth. He tried hard to live in Rome and dash with the Pope. अब fight. हमें सारे टेंस कैसे यूज करना है ये जानना होगा और उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम फिल करेंगे. करेक्ट टेंस, द स्टूडेंट वर्क्स हार्ड लेस्ट ही. अब हम लोग लेस्ट वाले रूल में पढ़ते हैं ही शुड फेल मीन्स ही शुड नॉट फेल, तो हम लोग लेस्ट ही शुड फेल होगा ब्लैंक में. माई फादर एक्सेप्टेड दैट dash I would participate. The teacher said that the earth dashed round the sun. तो आप बोलेंगे the teacher said ये past tense में, then we will write also the earth was moving. No, the earth moves because this is universal truth and this will always be written in present tense. Earth moves round the sun. यहाँ पर around होगा. He hired a taxi so that we dash the train. We might catch the train. Then they will work hard that they dash. अब यहाँ they will work hard that they, why they will work hard? That they may succeed. He will attend the party if he dash me. When will he attend the party? If he invites me. Those who live in glass house should not dash stones at other. Should not throw stones at other. he went to Delhi where his father dash employed, where his father is employed. Okay, why he will go to Delhi, यहाँ पर father भी दिया तो हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं is employed. आई होप आपको समझ आ गया हो ये कैसे करेक्ट टेंस में फिल करना है. हर टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग जो हमने रूल्स पढ़े हैं वो रूल्स को ध्यान याद में रख के हमें ये सारे ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 1. यहाँ पर भी हाईलाइटेड वर्ड जो है वो ब्लैंक्स है. He told me that his father dash not at home, was not at home, क्योंकि यहाँ हम पास्ट टेंस यूज करें told, तो यहाँ पर was not at home. I asked him if he had told a lie, यहाँ हम लोग had यूज करेंगे. He knew that he dash her, he would not help her. ये सब हम लोग फिल कर सकते हैं. She ran fast so that he dashed the bus. She might catch the bus. हाँ she होना चाहिए क्योंकि यहाँ सब्जेक्ट में भी she है. She expected that she would pass. Okay, वो क्या एक्सेप्ट करेगी? that she would pass. The child did not know that his father had gone. The old man walks carefully lest he should fall down. Lest का means होता है should not. Lest he should not fall down. हम लोग देखेंगे he should fall down क्योंकि यहाँ पर lest use है. I bought a cow which dash sweet milk, which gives sweet milk. The police caught a man who steals book. जो book steal करता है, who steals book. He told him that his brother was a gambler. The teacher said that the sun was hot. नहीं होगा, ये हमने examples में भी देखा था. is hot होगा क्योंकि ये एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ है. अगर होगा the teacher said that 2 and 2 dash 4, तो हम was नहीं फिल करेंगे, हम लोग यूज करेंगे 2 and 2 is 4. If you work hard you dash pass, you will pass. If you worked hard you would pass. ये पास्ट टेंस में तब हम लोग यहाँ would यूज करेंगे. अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता तो हम लोग will करते. She scolded me as if I were her servant. हम लोग को was नहीं यूज करना है, ऐसी जगह पे were यूज करना है. We have already studied this in rule. Last week he spent as much money as you dash in a month. You will not spend in a month. I hope you have understood this topic very clearly. Sequence of tenses. I have told you that I will teach you it with exercises. और हमने बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेस अभी सॉल्व किए और आपको सब समझ आ गए होंगे कैसे हमें कहाँ पर टेंस यूज करना है. तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय.